What's up guys, it's Matt. So we've got the Moto E6 Plus, or what they're dubbing the E6s in India. So it's the same device though. So let's go ahead and check it out. Let's check out the box real quick. So this is the silver one. It comes in red, or it comes in this cool purple color, but I wasn't able to get it. Let's go ahead and get the box open. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. So we've got the phone here, and it's got a case on it already. And it's missing a it doesn't have a battery in it. So alright, let's take a look at these specs. We got a dual camera setup, 13 megapixel, 2 megapixel, 6.1 inch HD plus display, 8 megapixel selfie camera, fingerprint scanner on the back, 3000 milliamp battery, and yeah, very shiny, almost like a mirror. Let's check out what else we get in the box. Paperwork. It should be USB Type-C. And it's micro USB. As you can see, it is still micro USB type, which is weird because they did that with the Moto E6. It is dated, so it is weird that they have that. Here's the power brick, and we have the battery on here. It should be and here is the battery. Alright, let's go ahead and do that once in a lifetime peel off on the screen. So there we go. We got a little notch. Let's go ahead and install the battery real quick, because this thing is just super light, and I mean, it feels like a dummy phone. Let's go ahead and insert the battery. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the hardware. So we got the dual camera, the flash, fingerprint scanner. On the bottom we do have the speaker with the just regular micro USB, which really sucks. I thought this had USB Type-C. Power button and volume rockers on the side. We've also got the little water drop notch with a pretty nice big speaker grill for the front. We also have a headphone jack up top. So this is the 2GB, 32GB model, so 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigabytes of storage, a 6.1 inch 720 by 1560 display. It is a Helio P22 processor in here, along with a 3000 milliamp battery. I really wish I got the purple version, because this one you can see smudges like crazy, as you can see. So you know, it is what it is, but it is a pretty cool looking color. It's almost like a mirror. So let's go ahead and I'll put my information in, and we can go ahead and check out the device. Alright, so one of the things you're going to notice right off the bat is just how vibrant and colorful this IPS display was. I really wasn't expecting that. It is a pretty high quality IPS display. It's not washing out or anything like that. So, and it gives off some really nice colors. It actually kind of shocked me a little bit. Let's go through the home screen. So you can see there's like when you swipe up, you just can't swipe up to the app drawer anymore. It's sort of got like the multitasking thing. It's got like this gesture stuff right here, so you guys know how I feel about that. I'm not a big fan of it, but I'll try to get used to it. And you can swipe up just to get to all the apps. As you can see, there's no bloatware really on here. I don't see anything on here, so they left it pretty stock. So this is pretty much stock Android. As you can see, we swipe over, we got Google Now, which I really love. So I really love that Motorola keeps these devices stock. So let's go ahead and check out the toggles. And as you can see, pretty basic. So Motorola really left this one alone. As you can see, we got do not disturb, flashlight, battery saver, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Hotspot, we got system update, storage, grayscale. We have the night light, invert color. So very basic stuff. Let's see if we can find anything in these settings. This device does not have NFC. And this device is $159. I was able to get it for. Let's check out and see if we got anything on here. Display. Yeah, it's very just stock Android. We got the ambient display on here, and we can change the theme from light to dark if we want to. So we do have the ambient display. We have lift to check phone, and new notifications, so it'll wake the screen when we receive new notifications. We have 25.11 gigabytes of storage left, so that's how much you can expect when you get this phone. Digital well-being, performance optimization. So we can go ahead, and it's already on. And let's check and see what version of Android we're running. And as you can see, we're on Android 9.0 Pie right out of the box. Let's go ahead and check out the fingerprint scanner speed. So pretty fast, and I'm not having issues. The fingerprint scanner is actually, what I love about these fingerprint scanners is they're actually pretty big. Now you also have the face recognition on here, but I would just stick to the fingerprint scanner because it's not going to be really secure at all. So you know, just a heads up. Alright, one of the things I just noticed is that there's no Moto actions. I just ran through all these settings. They got rid of the Moto action, so the app where you could you know, customize, do the chop to bring the flashlight. All that seems to be gone on here, so I don't know what's going on. I went into the app store to see if I could download the Moto actions, but you know, they don't have it on here, so it's very weird. Maybe you can get it from somewhere else, but I'm gonna have to look into that. So I guess they got rid of it with this one, so very strange that they got rid of that, because it had some really good features in it. Now we're inside the camera app, so I just want to show you guys around. So we got camera, video, we got the panorama mode, and we've got I guess the portrait mode, what they're calling it. We just have to test that out and see how good it is. And then we got the face beauty, so you know, you can go ahead and you know, add the filter to your face to smoothen it out. So I want to check out and see, you know, what this films at. Auto flicker, shutter sound. This is filming in 720p. The AI isn't on. Yeah, so we can film in 1080p. And we got the camera 4x3. We go ahead, 13 megapixel. We can even go down to 7. Tap anywhere. We got the timer. We even got the AI feature on. And yeah, so very basic camera app, but it's pretty smooth. And we got the zoom in, so we can zoom in like that. And then we got the Google Lens on here. And overall, the device is pretty smooth. So we do have the HDR on here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take a few quick photos just to show you guys what it looks like. So as you can see from those shots, the camera is pretty underwhelming. As always with these Motorola phones, sometimes they're hit or miss. The G7 Play had a pretty decent camera, so it just depends. But this one was just okay. It took photos that I really expected it to. I didn't really expect it to take anything too crazy. So let's go ahead and check out the speaker quality on this guy. So very good. Really loud. The bass punch is actually better than I was expecting, so pretty good. I'm actually impressed. Now when you're watching videos on this phone, remember that it is only 720p. There's no 1080p option, but it still looks really crisp and clear. So I really enjoy watching videos on here so far. The notch is not intrusive at all, since it's a water drop notch. Very nice. So you know, watching videos on here is fine. You do have, like, you know, a little big chin right here. It's not like the Mi 9T or the Bow N1, but it's decent. I haven't had any problem gaming with this guy. Well, I will do a you know, more in-depth gaming video, but so far no problems. The Helio P22 is only going to get you so much power though, so it is, you know, a budget processor. So, you know, one of the weird things about this phone is definitely that they took off the Moto Actions. I really don't understand that, but there's a lot to like about this phone. I really like that this has the ambient display on here. As you can see, if I just pick it up, you can see it'll come on. It still has that. I really like the design of this phone. I really would have preferred the purple color so I don't have to see all these little fingerprints, as you guys can see. But you know, it's fine. The cameras are fine, and if you're a stock Android lover, you're gonna love this phone. It runs stock Android very smooth. I haven't had too much lag problems, even with 2 GB of RAM. Having stock Android without the bloatware is just really nice. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, be sure to ask me down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.